In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an XFinity hotspot on iPhone. First, you will load up your iPhone settings, and from within the main screen here, you will see personal hotspot. Click on personal hotspot, and in order to set up an XFinity hotspot on your iPhone, you will first have to allow others to join. And here you can set a password for your Wi-Fi, and they have a few different options of connecting. They can use Wi-Fi, so they will just open up their Wi-Fi settings here and connect to your hotspot through Wi-Fi. You can also connect through Bluetooth. You will pair your iPhone with your computer. On iPhone, you will tap pair or enter code displayed on the computer, and then you will connect to iPhone from the computer. And also you have the option of connecting using USB. You will have to plug your iPhone into your computer and choose iPhone from the list of network services in your settings, and people will be able to use the internet that way. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.